Good morning, students. Today we are going to deal with maths subject. Okay, almost we are completed ones and tens. Okay, you all know about that tens and ones, how to place the number value. Okay, now till before session we saw, I said you to complete this all the things. Okay, by your time you can complete it in your notebook as well as in the textbook also. Okay, now this is the maths lab activity. Okay, creating an abacus. Okay, means what we have studied in the first session. Okay, how to count by using the beads. Okay, abacus. Okay, on Saturday Kolekar sir will send the video how to prepare this abacus. Okay, means by using what they said, toothpaste box, 2 sticks, beads of different color. Beads means I said you first only. Okay, the pearls. Okay, the beads. Okay, means we called in Marathi जो आपके मम्मी के गले में नेकलेसेस रहते हैं. ओके, जैसे कि मनी बोलते हैं उसको मराठी में. ओके, तो you by using this you can prepare the abacus box. Okay, now today we will see number up to 100. We have already learned number up to 50. Let us build number more than 50. Number 51 to 60. Okay, almost we have studied where to give tens and ones value in number till 50. Okay, now today we are going to see number 51 to 60. Now see here, this is the word problem. Mala is making garlands with flowers. She uses 10 flowers to make one garland. After making 5 garlands, some flowers are left. Help her count the flowers. Okay, now what? She is the mala. Okay, you can see your picture. She is the mala. She is making the garland. Okay, garland means what? We can say har. Okay, har. Okay, she is making the garlands of the flowers. Okay, now we have to help her how much are left, how much flowers are left after making the garlands. Now see here, what they have said, Mala is making garlands with flowers. She uses 10 flowers to make one garland. Okay, means what ये माला जो है, she requires, कितने फ्लावर्स लगते हैं उसको, एक गार्लेंड, एक हार बनाने के लिए उसको कितने फ्लावर्स लगते हैं? 10 फ्लावर्स. ओके, आफ्टर मेकिंग 5 गार्लैंड्स. ओके, मीन्स 5 गार्लैंड्स बनाने के बाद सम फ्लावर्स आर लेफ्ट. ओके, हेल्प हर टू काउंट, मतलब 5 गार्लैंड्स बनाने के बाद कुछ फ्लावर्स बाकी रह गए, तो वी हैव टू सी दैट. ओके, 5 tens plus 1. ओके, means 51. Okay, means 50 plus 1 equals to 51. Okay, means 5 tens means 5 garland plus 1. 51, 50 plus 1 means how many garlands of 10 groups she had made? The set of 10 flowers, 1 garland, means there are 10 flower in this, means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, means 5, 10 plus 1 and 1 flower is left, means 51. Okay, 50 plus 1, 51, means Mala is having how many flowers? 51 flowers. Okay, means 50, if she make a 5 garlands, then means how many flowers are used? There are total 50 flowers are used. Okay, means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals to how many? 50 flowers plus 1, 51. Now see here next. How many here? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2 means 50 plus 2. 52 means 5 tens plus 2 ones equals to 52. Okay, means there are total how many remaining? 3 flowers are remaining after preparing the garlands. Okay, now see here. Help her to count. 5 tens plus 3 ones, 53. 50 plus 3 equals to 53. 5 10 plus 4 ones, 54. 50 plus 4, 54. Now what they have given, if Mala is having the flowers, okay, then they are given the different examples which you have to solve as per given samples. Okay, now see here, 5 tens plus 5 ones, 55, means what here it will be? 50, yes, plus 5 means 55. Okay, means 50 plus 5 equals to 55. Okay, now I will show you 1 minute. Okay, with the help of pencil I will show you. Just a minute. See here. Means how many are written here? 5 tens means 50. Here it is 5 ones means 5. Okay. You can see here 50 plus 5 equals to 55. Means the answer will be 55. Now see here another example. 5 tens plus 6 ones 56. Okay. Means 5 tens means here it will be 50 and the 6 will be remain as it is. Means 50 plus 6 equals to 56 means your answer will be 56. In same way 5 tens plus 7 ones 57 means 50 plus 7 means 50 plus 7 means we have almost studied 0 plus 7 equals to the number itself will be remain same. Okay, and 5 means 57. Same way you have to solve this and this. Okay, now see here. Okay, this or this. Now they have said here. Okay, now you have to solve in the same pattern. Okay, means you can write here 50 plus 10 equals to 60. This will be the answer, or in other way it will come like this also. 6 plus 0 means 10 equals to 60. Okay, they have shown the both the this one examples. Okay, now we will turn the page. See number 61 to 70. Sanju collects sticks from the jungle. He sells them in the market. He uses a 10 sticks to make one bundle. How he has 6 bundles and some loose sticks. Let's count the sticks. Okay, means what we have saw in the first example also. How many sticks are containing in the one bundle? There are total 10 sticks in one bundle. Okay, now see here 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means it is 60 plus 1 means 61 means 60 plus 1 equals to 61. 6 tens plus 1 61. Okay, now see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is the 6 bundles. Each contain 10 sticks means 60 plus 2 equals to 6 tens plus 2 means 62. 62. Okay, help him to count the rest. Okay, same way which we have solved before. Okay, means how we have solved here now. It is in a same pattern. Okay, then also I will tell you one of an example. 6 tens plus 3 ones 63. 63, 63. Okay, now see here 6 tens plus 4 ones. Okay, 64 means here it will be a 60 plus 4. Then how you will solve? 60 plus 4. 0 plus 4 number itself remain the same, plus 6 means 64. Okay, same way you have to solve this. See, I am not solving this example on the board because it is easier and almost we have solved in a first session. Okay, so I am taking the examples of in the textbook itself. Okay, if you are having any problem you can ask me. Number 71 to 80 means same it is here. Kajal likes collecting different colors beads. Okay, she makes a garland from 10 beads. After making 7 garland, some beads are left. Help her to count. Means in the same way. What? See here. Here are the garlands. She used the beads over here. Okay. Now how many garlands she makes? She makes the 7 garlands. It contains 10 beads. Means 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1. 7 tens plus 1 equals to 71. 70 plus 1 equals to 71. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 2 means 7 tens plus 2 ones 72. 70 plus 2 equals to 70. Help her to count. In the same way where we have solved here, in the same way we have to solve. 7 tens plus 3 ones 73 means 70 plus 3 equals to 73. Now see here 7 tens plus 4 1 74. Okay, 74. Now see 70 plus 4 means 70 plus 4. 0 plus 4 number will remain same as itself. 7 is 74. Okay, same it is. Okay, same. So we have to solve all these things. Okay, in the textbook. and you can send photos on Neela ma'am's group. Okay, number. Now see, number 81 to 90. Mirchi Chachi wants to sell her carrots in the market. She wants to count them. She puts 10 carrots in one basket. After filling 8 basket, some carrots are still left. Here are the counts. Means they are given the different okay examples. Now you can see here. One basket contains how many carrots? Yes. एक basket में कितने गाजर है? 10. Okay. Then how many baskets are there? Total 8 baskets are there. Okay. Plus 1 means 8, 10 plus 1, 81. 80 plus 1 equals to 81. Same here. 8 basket. One basket contains the 10 carrots. 80 plus 2. 8 tens plus 2 ones. 82. 80 plus 2, 82. Help her to count. Okay. Here the example is given. 8 tens plus 3 ones. 83. 80 plus 3, 83. Now I will show you here. Okay. See. 8 tens plus 4 ones equals to 84. 8 tens means 80. 4 ones means 4. Now we have to do here the addition. 80 means the 80 plus 4. 0 plus 4 means the number will remain itself, that is the 4, and 8 will come here. Okay, means it will be the 84. Same as we have solved in the back of. Okay. Now the last but not least, number 91 to 100. Okay. Neela has some laddus. She puts 10 laddus in a jar. After filling 9 jars, some laddus are still left. Let us help her to count the laddus. Now we have seen the example of beads, carrots, okay, sticks. Now here are the example of laddus. Okay. Who is she? She is the Leela. Okay. What she is doing? She is putting the laddus in the jar. One jar contains 10 laddus. And how many jars are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means 9 jars plus 1. 9, 10 plus 1, 91. Means 90 plus 1 equals to 91. Here also same. 9 jars are there. Each jar contains 10 laddus. Additional are 2. Means 9 tens plus 2 ones equals to 92. Means here are also 9 jars. Each jar contains 9 tens, 9 laddus in one jar. Means there are total 9 tens plus 2 ones, 92. 90 plus 2 means 90 plus 2, 92. Help her to count. Here is the same sample example they have given. 9 tens plus 3 ones, 93. 90 plus 3, 93. Now here I will solve for you. Okay, 9, 10 plus 4 ones, 94 means 90 plus 4. Here we will do the addition by using the plus sign. Means 0 plus 4, the number will remain same itself. Okay, and 9 will come as it is. Means 94. Okay, understood children? Solve this in the textbook. Okay. Now counting in tens. Okay, counting in tens. This we will conduct the lecture tomorrow. Okay. Bye for now. Please complete each and everything examples in the textbook and send to Neela ma'am's number. Okay. Bye.